We're at Herbert Hoover. They got 3-on-3. Tried a long shot, didn't work. No, I was trying to see if that little girl was back there. You go, Gloria. They go. That's the point right there. There go Moses. Oh, you do it, we can do it. Payback. That was Gloria's shot. Hit my camera. They all up on the players. They working that ball. That's a point. That's a score. Moses got that. Did he miss? He made it. Don't sleep. Don't move slow. What's the score, Thomas? 2-2. Thomas, move out the way. What is that? I got a phone call coming in.